In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a sign-up form to Google Sites quickly and easily. Whether you're collecting newsletter subscribers, event registrations, or customer inquiries, this method works perfectly and is 100% free. First, we'll need to create the form. Head over to forms.google.com and either start with a blank form or pick a template from the gallery. Give your form a clear title, like sign up, and then add the fields you want. This could be name, email address, or anything else you need. Once your form looks good, click the send button at the top right. Here, you'll see an option to embed the form. Click on the embed code icon and Google will generate the HTML code for you. Before copying it, you can adjust the width and height so the form fits nicely on your site. Then, copy the code. Now, switch over to your Google site. Open the page where you want the sign up form to appear. Click the embed option in the right-hand menu and paste the code into the box. Hit insert and your form will instantly show up on the page. You can drag and resize it until it looks perfect. That's it. Your Google site now has a fully functional sign-up form that automatically collects responses in Google Forms. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a like and share it with anyone else building a site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.